Hi, we're here at Safety Speed Manufacturing in the showroom here in Minnesota, showcasing our H5 vertical panel saw, which is our top seller at Safety Speed. Comparing a vertical panel saw with a table saw and the features that make a vertical panel saw better. First of all, vertical design. A table saw will take a lot more space compared with a vertical panel saw. Panel saw is 10 feet wide. 36 inches front to back when freestanding, and safety is the #1 feature for our machines. The saw blade, as you can see, is fully encased, has a bonnet covering it. To get at the blade, you have to really reach behind that carriage. So safety being the #1 thing with the vertical panel saw. Ease of use. A single person can operate a vertical panel saw. You see this 10-foot long frame fully supports a 4x8 sheet of any material. We're going to demonstrate some wood here, and then lastly, accuracy. We set the alignment at the factory before shipping, so there's a minimal setup when you receive the machine. So again, with the full-size frame, our vertical panel saws are easy for single-person operation. I just load this 4x8 piece. Now to set up a vertical cut, I'll look at my measuring tapes, which are on the lower left side of the frame and on the right. But for this cut, we'll measure, let's see, 24 inches. Paddle switch on the top on this Milwaukee motor. Now we're about to set up a rip cut on the vertical panel saw. So to do that, pull down the carriage to the selected height. We have a measuring indicator on the carriage, so you know exactly what your measurement's going to be, which is indexed off the top of the material rollers. Rotate the saw head with 2 indexing pins, and then it locks back into position so you can make your cut. So now we've got it set up. We'll flip the paddle switch to turn on the saw motor. So during the rip cut, there's a riving knife behind the saw blade that stops any pinching of the blade and kickback. So you notice that top piece did not pinch the blade as he pushed it through.